good evening. We have only got 5 days left of the month of April, and it is shaping up to be quite an unusual month weather-wise. We've had an awful lot of sunshine and it's been exceptionally dry, particularly across parts of England and Wales. Here we've seen just 9% of the amount of rainfall that we would expect to see by this stage in the month. Some stations in southern England have had barely a drop of rain all month. Now, if you are crossing your fingers for a bit of rainfall over the week ahead, take a look at this graphic, because this shows the expected amount of rainfall that's going to be accumulating through the next 5 days or so, about 5 to 10 millimetres for many areas. But bear in mind, the rainfall is going to be showery in nature, so we won't all see it. And April so far has been pretty cold as well. In fact, we're looking at the coldest April by this stage since the late 1980s. And these temperatures are going to be remaining below average through the week ahead, more especially overnight. So do watch out for some frosty nights, particularly through the second half of the coming week. Now, we have got a subtle change in our weather because there's an area of low pressure moving its way in from the north. Quite a small, slow-moving area of low pressure, but it will bring some showers for many of us over the next couple of days. For the rest of this evening and tonight, then largely dry, bit of cloud drifting around across England and Wales, so not quite as cold as some recent nights, but we are likely to see a little bit of frost, particularly for parts of northern England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. Milder for the north of Scotland because the cloud and the patchy rain moves in. And through Monday, we'll see some of that showery rain across Scotland, then pushing into the far north of England and Northern Ireland as well. But further south, you've got another dry, sunny day to come and less windy for southern England compared to recent days. So we're losing that real biting easterly wind that we've seen recently. Temperatures still getting up to about 16 degrees for the likes of Cardiff and Belfast, but a little bit cooler with that gentle onshore breeze across parts of eastern England and Scotland too. Now, through Monday night into Tuesday, then showers continue to rotate around this area of low pressure, probably going to be staying away from East Anglia and the southeast on Tuesday. So here in the sunshine, 16 degrees or so, turning a little bit cooler for many of us, but some welcome showery rain for some places. Now, into Wednesday, the showers most likely to be across parts of Wales, southwest England as well. Sunny spells elsewhere, perhaps 1 or 2 light showers coming in on that northeasterly breeze for parts of eastern Scotland and eastern England as well. But temperatures here only about 8 degrees or so. So things are turning colder once again as low pressure pushes off towards the near continent. That opens the doors for these north or northeasterly winds to bring in that Arctic air once again. So particularly from midweek onwards, there'll be some cold nights and increasing risk once again of frost. So even in our towns and cities, temperatures getting down overnight to around 2 or 3 degrees, but it will be colder than that in the countryside. So certainly a frost risk later in the week. Heading on into Thursday now, and still a few showers around, most likely by this stage for East Anglia and the southeast of England, but remember they will be hit and miss, so they won't be falling everywhere. Sunny spells and isolated showers elsewhere, but certainly turning colder. Look at those temperatures, just around about 8 to 13 degrees, and a similar day on Friday. 1 or 2 showers probably towards the east, sunny spells and showers elsewhere, but temperatures only around about 8 to 13 degrees. It does look like it'll warm up a little bit into the first weekend in May. Bye for now.